Okay guys, welcome to your 11th tutorial on PHP. In here we're looking at logical operators, right? So we've got two variables, x and y, okay? And we've got if statement. So what we're saying is here, if variable x is equal to y, which is not, or 4 is equal to 4, which it is, print true, okay? So basically there's only one condition here has to be right, and we get true. But if I put down here the AND sign, which means both conditions have to be true, what do you think we're going to get now? So both conditions have to be true, but I don't think it won't do anything actually, because I haven't given it another seek. I haven't given another condition to say false. So that's that one. So you got the or the AND, okay? That's simple enough. There's also another one we can look at here, and it's an XOR, okay? I'll just show you this one. It's this little baby here, okay? So basically it's saying is here only one condition can be true. If both are true, it ain't gonna work. Okay, so let's just have a look at this and refresh this one. Well, it didn't work. Why didn't that work? Let me just check here. Sorry guys, I hit the wrong button there. That's my bad. Exact. So what am I thinking that one for? So if I go back in here and I refresh this page, we get true. Okay, and the reason is only this means only one of the conditions can be true. Now if I change this to 60, okay, say that this means that both conditions are true, and we should get nothing here because I haven't given an else to show a false, but we shouldn't get anything here. There you go, nothing at all. So they're logical operators, guys. Simple enough. There's the XOR, either one or the other is true, but not both. And means both have to be true for the statement to print. And you got the standard OR, which means is one only has to be true for both, for this to print. Okay, simple enough. Okay, see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.